Well, I say they were able to figure out where to dump at. How many loads they bring me? Let's see, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. They figured it out. That's good. Good hydraulics on the dozer too. It's about 30 degrees. Let's do a cold start. Well, let me check the oil real quick. Alright, besides my horrible wiper blade, let's see what she sounds like. Can you see? Can't really see much. Little puff. Alright, I'll let her warm up a little bit and spread some fill out. I've got 220 tons. coming along nicely. Just got to finish top dressing it. I got all those 11 loads spread out with the dozer. Got the little motor grader here now. So I'm going to go down here and start working on the driveway. Tim is moving a little bit of dirt that we piled up yesterday when I had to cut out a couple bad spots. But I'll show y'all real quick what the game plan for the driveway is. So what I'm going to try to do is take the grader. I think it's a 12-foot wide drive in between the flags all the way down. I'm going to try to scrape the grass up and have it where Tim can come up and clean it up with the skid steer, and we'll pile it up and then haul it back around to the front with the dump truck. See how well this works. Made good progress today. We got the building pad done. We got so busy I didn't really get much video of doing it other than grading all that fill out this morning. But it is 50 by 125 building pad with a little notch out right here. Pretty much all I was doing was getting it level. They got to come in here and do it'll be a monolithic slab, so it'll have a perimeter footing dug all the way around it. So all the edges will get all dug up and everything, so that's not too critical. But the main thing I was worried about was getting the center pretty much leveled up, and we got that pretty well done. Took the topsoil and got the back slope and the side graded out. And then I went in here with the grader and started cutting the driveway. I got all the grass stripped and rode up into the center, and Tim's going down there with the skid steer now and scooping it up. We've already hauled off one load, but taking the rest of it and piling it up right there so we can load it out. And tomorrow we'll start putting the ABC stone right there down on the path. He's just cleaning up the last little bit. Well, that turned out pretty nice. That grader does a good job cutting those edges. Gives it a nice good finish. Once we put that stone in there, it'll look like it's always been here.